Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make something that I haven't made in a long time, but I'm out of bread, so I'm going to make a loaf of bread. I have the bread flour, I have everything I need, so I'm going to make a loaf of bread in my Hamilton Beach bread machine. Alright, so I haven't used it in a while, so I had to wash it, make sure it was clean. Got the, I don't know if you can see, but it's got the little paddle down in there. Alright, the first thing that, and this is just a basic loaf of white bread. That's all it is. Yesterday, which was okay yesterday, Dana fixed us a turkey sandwich, but it was on a hamburger bun, and believe it or not, in all my 63 years I've never had a sandwich on a hamburger bun, and it was really good, but I still need to have bread for the kids. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of water in here. That was 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Alright, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you can't see down in here, but I'll show you as we go along, because my camera is dead and I've got it plugged in, and this is as far as it'll go. So, alright, and then I've got 1.5 teaspoons of salt that's going in. Alright, so there's all the stuff that goes in before the flour. Now, I've got bread flour, and when you measure your flour in here, you need it to be as accurate as possible. So, I've got a spoon. It's actually a measuring spoon. It's a 1/2 cup, so I need 3 cups of bread flour. So I'm going to put 6 of these in here. And what you do is you take your knife, you make sure that it's even all the way across, take the back of your knife, run it across your spoon, and then I'm going to put, like I said, 6 of these in here. All right. There's 2. 3. I think I'm going to be making a lot of bread. 4. I've got all this bread flour that I bought, and I need to use it, so I may as well go on and make some bread with it. Alright, here's 5. And here's 6. This is the last 1/2 cup. So that's 3 cups of bread flour that I have in here. Alright, now, I need to see in it. So I'm going to make a little well down inside. Let me see if I can get y'all so that you can see. There you go. Alright, I'm going to make a little well down inside of the flour. And I've got this, I got this from Aldi. It's Baker's Corner Fast Rising Yeast, highly active. Alright, so I'm going to use 1 pack of this, and I'm going to pour it in that little well, which I just missed. I'm always messing up somewhere. I just put the sugar in the flour bowl a little while ago. Alright, so I'm going to put this in here in my bread machine. I've got to get it in here. There you go. Thank you. I'm sitting down below it, y'all. It's up on the table. Alright, it's in there now, correct. Alright, now I'm going to put this down. I'm going to go on, it's on cycle 1, which is just basic bread. The crust, I'm going to go light, because if I go on medium, sometimes it's been darker than I want it. The loaf size is 1.5 pounds. And I don't want to use delay timer, so I'm just going to push start. And it's going to take 2 hours and 53 minutes. And this is the Hamilton Beach. I'll have what number it is when I end the video, but this is the Hamilton Beach bread machine, and I'll bring you back in a little while. All right, bye. Well, y'all, here's my bread, and it didn't work. As you can see, the loaf is a little bitty thing. I don't know what happened, unless it was the yeast that I used or whatever it was. Well, it's not coming out either, so all right, the little thing is up in there. The paddle is in that little hole right there. This happened the last time that I made one. There you go. You can see how little it is. It's so little. But this was a 2.5 pound. I don't think I've ever made, a 1.5 pound. I don't think I've ever made one this little. So it may be that's why it's this little, as I'm not used to a 1.5 pound. But that looks, let me put y'all down so you can see. Let me turn it around so, see, it's just not 3 inches high or whatever. It's just not very big. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm gonna let it sit here for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna cut a piece and put some butter on it, and we'll see if it tastes okay. It may be that I just made a 1.5 pound loaf. Maybe I hit 1 pound. I don't know. Maybe that's what I did. All right, I'll bring y'all right back. Okay, y'all. I want y'all to see. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see the inside of the bread. See, you can see all the holes and stuff in it. It's very soft. So I guess I just hit the wrong thing. That's the only thing I can think of. But now I've got some butter on here. I'm going to taste this just to make sure. I love lots of warm butter. Lots of butter on warm bread. I love it. It's so good. So that's bound to be what happened. This is just a little bitty loaf. I guess I hit the 1 pound instead of 1.5 pound. I guess I'm used to fixing 2 pounds, but it's been a while since I've fixed any bread, so I guess that's the only thing I can think of that I did. But this is definitely good. So I guess if I'd have put this on 1.5 pound loaf, maybe it would have been bigger. And then if I gone 2 pound loaf, I guess it would have been even bigger. But it still is really good. And I'm going to be fixing some spaghetti, so this will be good for butter bread for the spaghetti. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also to my Instagram. And also look below for links to different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase at Amazon. That's the same price. If you click on it down below, it's the same price it would be if you clicked on it on Amazon. It just that it does give me a few extra pennies off of whatever that you purchase. And I'm going to get off of here, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.